Hey y'all, it's Joanna, and I love to DIY on a budget and make beautiful home decor. And if you like to sew, then catch me on Saturdays. Now, let's get crafty. Hey y'all know what happened? It snowed out there. You know what we're gonna make? Snow cream. I have had so many of my subscribers on my page and everything ask me, what are you talking about snow cream? Because I was excited about snow cream on my Facebook page, so they don't know what it is. So I'm fixing to make mine. I make mine a little different. I'll tell you how you do the original, but let me show you what I do, and it is good. We're gonna do this. Let me show you, okay? Okay, I hope I stay in frame because I can't see what I'm doing. But what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your snow, and I use a big bowl. I have my scooper. Yeah, I just scrape it off, and I get this off the hood usually of a truck because we have two trucks out there, so I usually scrape it. I don't scrape the hood, but I scrape it down. I don't hardly ever get it off the ground because we don't have no concrete around here, and that's just nasty. But anyway, I use sweetened condensed milk. Mine is fat-free, but if you want the regular sweetened condensed milk, go for it. I have cholesterol problem, so I have to do as less cholesterol as possible. I use pure vanilla extract from Walmart and a little bit of salt. Okay? So you take, and I have extra snow just in case. So there goes my heat. It's cold outside, y'all. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put my sweet condensed milk in here. And this don't do much at the moment. It's just kind of, lumped down in there. But just hang with me here. This tastes more like ice cream than the other. Now I will tell you with this one, unless you want it like super duper sweet, you have to have quite a bit of snow. But I'm actually going to get more than this. We have almost 2 inches. My hands are clean, I promise. I just washed them before I did this. I washed out my bowls and all that, yada yada. But anyway, so you put your milk in there, but we have almost 2 inches now, and it's still coming down hard. Now I'm going to take my vanilla. First I have to wipe my finger off. Hold on. I can't stand dirty hands. You wouldn't believe that, but yeah, I can't. So I'm just going to take my vanilla, not measuring, just pour a tinge, okay? A tinge, just a tinge. That's a tinge. All right, and then I am going to add salt. What this does, one, I like salt, but it gives it a flavor and a consistency like of ice cream. Okay, you can stir this, but I save me the trouble and I use a mixer. This is why I said you'll need more snow. You see what that did? So you may need more snow. You have to play with it and taste it so that it's not too sweet. Okay? I know by looking at this, I'm going to need more snow. Okay? So, I know I'm loud. I'm just going to take and scoop some of this over here. I'm telling you, this one takes a lot of snow because I can't handle it real sweet. Okay, so we mostly have got it right now. So let me get a big old spoon over here. Well, it's not too big of a big old spoon, but it's bigger than a tablespoon, ain't it? Yeah. So let me stir this around a little bit. Now, y'all, if you taste this, oh, my hand. If you taste this and it's too sweet, add more snow. If it's not sweet enough, you can put a little sugar and milk in there. I don't like the sugar one, okay? My mom used to make it when I was little, and it, to me, was like, it was eating gritty stuff. And I don't like gritty stuff. You see how smooth that is? Yeah, that's just smooth right there. But anyways, when I was little, it was so gritty. It was so gritty and nasty. I couldn't handle it. Let me see. Oh, my Honda. That is good. That is really good. I don't even need no more snow. That is so good right there. Okay, so that's all you do. That's all you do. And you can put this in the freezer and it does not get real hard. I think it needs a little more salt, but that's a little more salt, wasn't it? But it will not get hard like regular snow cream. You can't freeze snow cream, you get an ice block. My mom used to buy ice milk when I was little, and that's what the one with, you just add milk and sugar and vanilla. And you just add that until you are happy. That is original snow cream, okay? And I know I'm loud, I'm sorry. But that's original. This one is just so much easier. It's not gritty. It's really good. Yeah. Okay, I just want to tell you that I added more snow, one more can of sweetened condensed milk, a lot more salt, and that's just because I like it. You do you, boo, okay? And a little bit more vanilla, and look at it. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh, just like the consistency of soft served ice cream. Now that, my friends, is how you do really, really good snow cream. We're supposed to get maybe up to 7 inches, they say. Who knows? But I'm going out there later, and because it's still snowing, and I'll just scrape it. I just got one side of my truck, one part of my truck to get this. So I'll go back out there and get the other side. I got a couple more big bowls, and I'm going to put this in my freezer. And I'll have it forever. No, just kidding. It won't last forever. It'll freeze or burn. But I'll have it for a pretty good long time because my husband don't eat this. So I can just eat my heart out on my snow cream. If y'all make this, please, please comment and let me know. Post it in my Facebook group. Whatever. Tell me what you think about it. I just wanted to let y'all know. And because so many people have asked me, what is snow cream? You know, I grew up eating this stuff. My best friend, one of my best friends, boy, she craves it. She craves it. She prays for snow so she can get this. She ate it for breakfast this morning, y'all. You know who you are, Melinda, okay? She ate it for breakfast. But anyway, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. 2 of them. Or a thumbs down. Whatever you want to do. You might not like it. I don't know. But until next time, remember, you are a blessing. It was good to see y'all. Bye.